70s. East winds.
There we go.
Was a test of the weather radio station KHB31 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal. Between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be